3 Dairy Farm Lane is the home and studio of award-winning architecture firm Bligh Graham Architects. Nestled on 5 acres in the magic rainforest valley of Cedar Creek, it's a great place to raise the family or make a green change, yet only 15 minutes from Samford Village and 40 minutes from the Brisbane CBD. Its emphasis on solar passive and sustainable design led the architects to include high-level windows for hot air exhausting, excellent cross ventilation including diagonal breezeway that captures southeast breezes, non-toxic finishes, 90,000 litre water storage, solar hot water and 4.56 kilowatt PV plant. The separate office with bathroom and outdoor kitchenette makes a perfect guest accommodation alternative. Other notable features include quality custom build with bespoke architectural detailing including custom gutters, sliding translucent and batten screens, window boxes, bay windows and cabinet work. Magna pool with pool house, 2 large flat play areas, fully fenced 2.5 acre paddock with stock water supply, 3-level tree house for the kids. Adjacent to Diagula National Park, with an abundance of walking tracks and renowned swimming holes, appreciation of this uniquely stunning property can only be achieved by personal inspection. Contact Matthew Cruz of Vengrasso at Postcode Property today.